It's master bedroom and walk-in robe week on the block. And I've given everyone $19,000 cash to get it all done. For Luke and Jasmin in the 1910s house, last week they went over budget by $1,500. So this week they have just $17,500 in cash. And that's going to hurt them with the amount of demo they have to do in this beauty.
We really weren't looking like we were going to make any targets because I think our house is the hardest out of the whole lot. As we peel off the layers in this 1910 house, everything is just so hard. There is not one wall that is straight. We have to rip out all the old timber and put in new timber, which is really labour intensive. That puts us behind. Every single day we are behind. We're last. Every single week we're behind.
OK, we get the point.
Hello, mates.
Hello, mates. How are we, Scotty?
Hi.
How you going?
Oh.
You got the tough one, haven't you? Demo.
We got the tough one.
Demo
Everything
for
is
days.
demo.
Yeah.
Demo for days.
Are you square on these walls? Are we plumb?
Yeah, we're actually not too well. We're parallel. We're not plumb. We're definitely not plumb, which is why we've got to out with the old, in with the new.
Well, you got to rip it all out.
We're going to rip everything out.
All the studs. And redo
This
it.
side, this external wall we won't.
Yep.
But internally, it's too much to, you know, pick up on the other end. If we square up one side, then we're going to be squaring up into the hallway. So I just want to start with new walls.
So the building is tough.
The building.
But you're going to get it
so
done.
tough.
We know that.
Of course we will.
It's all going to come down to styling this week.
It will.
What are you doing for the judges
We've got wainscoting on all the walls.
and
And a
anything
bay
else?
window.
Custom seat.
And black four-poster bed.
That's exactly what they're after.
Yeah.
Exactly what they're after.
You sound confident.
Yeah, we know what we're doing in here.
We're going to create a beautiful bedroom.
Yeah.
We're really hitting this brief now and really finding this cohesiveness between our style and this 1910 Federation, every other thing that comes with it. So it's such a shame to not finish the room.
Yeah, well, look, you've got a lot to do. I'll let you go.
Thanks, Scotty.
Good
you.
luck.
Thank you.
I like what you're doing. You're listening to the feedback.
We are.
And you're creating a real style in here that suits the house.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
You look as though you're getting ready to go shopping.
Yeah, you are.
Yeah.
We go sort out our cushion.
Go.
Thanks,
I'll go.
Scotty.
Yeah.
Cheers,
All
mate.
right, gotta go.